Hi everyone, this is Umar from Tutorials Hub, and today we will be discussing about how to integrate Zoom with Monday.com. So that is going to be the topic now. Before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to simply donate to our channel. Now, talking about how to integrate Zoom, first you need to click on this integrate option on your meetings section. Make sure that you are there and you have this integrate option. Once you are there, you will be able to see we have this templates and this search bar in here. In the search bar, we are going to be searching for Zoom, and we need to be installing that integration. Once you click on Zoom integration banner, we'll find the recipes that the integration offers. When hosting any meeting on Zoom, create an item and synchronize meeting details. When scheduling a meeting, Zoom, create an item, and so on and so forth. So basically, that's how you can get yourself Zoom into Monday.com, and that's how you can integrate Zoom with Monday. So that is it for this video, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it and find it informative. If you did so, you can consider donating using the link in the description below, and also subscribe to our channel. So that is going to be super awesome. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.